Hi, MU7. Ultimate Squad Premium. Set 08. 08. Alright, so. So I've been getting good reviews on my blog. We got that. I heard that card sucks. Alright. That card is cool. Okay, we got 2 foils. I don't know what that card does.
I mean, is that like?
Is it for black?
What's cool or like?
No, black.
Like, I
Any black
don't know
leader?
shit about baby.
Alright,
Okay.
that's the combo one.
One's for the club. No, one's close. One's the one. I used to do that when I was really into that. I had like
Ryan, do you need this? Put it on.
Yes, I needed that.
Okay, show it. Look at this. That's my teammate. What? There you go. See how it resolves around in circles? You see this? That's what we do. That's what we do. All right, we got one more. Oh, okay. Here we go.
Tap one, add back. I'll give it to him.
That's a couple of super combo. He pulled it. It worked out. It worked out. That actually makes me so happy. Cause that was on my heart for a while. I was like, man. And then we got the Krillin Z Fighter. You can actually run this in the yellow trunks. Okay, so that will be it. And I also got these 2 zero decks. My mom was like, here, baby, buy some cards. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this together too. All right. Bye.